sit up. Sit up. Here, take your hoodie off. Take your hoodie off. Your whole hoodie's wet. It's making it worse. Take it off.
On March 10th, 2024, in Stanwood, Washington, an officer confronted a male in a confirmed stolen vehicle. The suspect then fled into the nearby woods down a river. Officers now search for this suspect with the help of a K-9 unit. However, the officers will soon be in the most unexpected life or death situation of their careers.
No.
Is this the full truck for you?
No. He came from the north. Or the other, like, northeast, so it wouldn't have come this way.
Probably was kind of up to you. We could try to traverse the side, or we could just walk it.
Send it.
Alright.
I mean, I don't want to make you miserable either, but it seems like
oh no, dude, it doesn't make me miserable.
Seems like the most efficient way to go.
Yeah. Can you give him a little tug?
There you go.
K9's in the drone. We're walking out one of these little creeks coming into the river. If you can get eyes on us and tell us how far we are, that'd be much appreciated.
The officers need to cross the river to continue searching, so this officer gets a good look at the water to see if it's shallow enough to cross.
This right here is deep. I think if we're gonna cross, like, we push down and go across, but it's gonna be like waist deep.
What's that?
It looks like it'll be probably like hip, maybe knee deep. But if we cross over there where the river starts to get turbulent, because right here it's deep as fuck.
Okay.
It's chilly. It's waist deep across. The current's pretty strong. If we were gonna cross here, if you have your dog behind us, and we lock arms, we might be able to walk across. I mean, worst case scenario, we fall in and just like move over to the side because it's not over our head. You want to do it?
Yeah. Here's my only reluctancy is him right now. You and I think we can make it easy. What I don't want is him crossing. He can't touch the bottom. He's gonna have to swim.
You're gonna have to hang on to him and just pull him, carry him like by his handle.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
We both got to be on board for this plan, but.
Oh, I'm.
And we just kind of link arms. Too strong. We're not going to cross there. Alright, let's just go over the woods and just go down.
The officers travel through the dense woods to find a better place to cross the river. Little do they know, the suspect is right around the corner.
Hey, it's okay. We're going to get you help. Are you okay? Show me your hands. Okay, don't move, okay? Hey, do you have any weapons on you? Do me a favor and lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach and put your arms out. Hey, I want to get you help, but I need you to listen to me. Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. Lay on your stomach. Hey, I want to help you. You're cold. You're going to die out here. Okay? Do you have any weapons on you? Okay. Can you walk? Can you walk? Okay. Break. 3/2. Male is hypothermic. He's stiff. He can't walk. So we're going to need an extractor here ASAP. We're going to get you help, okay? We're going to need somebody to get you warm. Hey, Marco! This way! What? Help? Sit up. What? Sit up. I can't understand you, man. Take your hoodie off. Here, take your hoodie off. Your whole hoodie's wet. It's making it worse. Take your hoodie. Take it off. Take your hoodie off. Your whole hoodie's wet. It's making it worse. Stand up. Take it off. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. All right, here, just sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. All right, here, just sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Bring your head back. Bring your leg out. Bring your head back. Move forward. Move forward. Hey, take your shirt off. You need to take your shirt off. You're wet and cold. You're not going to get warmer with the shirt on. So take your shirt off. You need to take your shirt off. You're wet and cold. You're not going to get warmer with the shirt on. So take it off. Find out if they can land right here. Find out if they can land right here. Okay, I need you to try to stand up. I need you to stand up. You want to die here? Okay, I need you to try to stand up. I need you to try to stand up so I can get you warm. You want to die here? Okay, I'm going to pull on you, okay? You want to die here? I need you to try to stand up so we can get you warm. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull on you, okay? Here, get out this button. All right. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We're going to walk. We're going to walk back and forth to keep you warm. Okay? You're going hypothermic. Hey, we're going to walk this way and turn around, okay? Okay? You're going hypothermic. Hey, turn around. We're going to go the other way, okay? Stand up. Turn around. We're going to go the other way. Good boy, buddy. Okay, let's turn around. We're going to walk back the other way. We got to keep you moving so you warm up. The helicopter, the boat's coming. We're going to pick you up. We're going to walk back the other way. We got to keep you moving so you warm up. The helicopter, the boat's coming. There you go. Pick you up. Slow. Keep your feet up. Good job. Walk up the hill. Walk up the hill. There you go. Not too slow. Keep your feet up. Stand up straight. Walk up the hill. Stand up. Can you move your arms? Walk up the hill. Good. Okay. Move your arms. Go here. Stand up straight. Stand up. Stand up. Can you move your arms? It's all right. Longer motion. Move your arms. Go here. Keep moving your arms. I'll hang on to you. Keep moving your arms. Okay. It's all right. About the cold. Longer motions, man. Don't have anything. Keep moving your arms. I'll hang on to you. Keep moving your arms. I don't have anything to help you. So think about the cold. There you go. Put your arms up over your head. As well, so I can't. I don't have anything to help you. Down. There you go. Put your arms up over your head. Keep moving your arms. There you go. As high as you can. Down. Like this. You're starting to feel a little better? Like this. Keep moving your arms. Like this. Look at me. Good. Like this. You're starting to feel a little better? Like this. I'll hold you up. Like this. I'll hold you up. Don't worry about falling. Look at me. Really bad. So like this. All right. Arms down. Arms down. We gotta keep moving. We gotta keep moving. Okay. Move your arms. Really bad. Can you walk on your own? All right. Arms down. Arms down. Try walking. We gotta keep moving. Let's walk a little further. Move your arms. It could be. Can you walk on your own? Too, like you just said. This is atypical of what I've seen. Let's walk a little further. Come on. Can you answer some questions? This is atypical of what I've seen. With a nod of your head. Come on. Do you have any drugs on board? Some questions. Yes or no? Have you taken any drugs? With a nod of your head. Yes or no? Do you have any drugs on board? I'm gonna ask yes or no. Okay. Have you taken any drugs? Just nod your head. Yes or no? Okay. Is it an upper or a downer? I'm gonna ask you. Okay. Meth? No. Yes. Fentanyl? No? Okay, is it an upper or a downer?
Nod your head because I
Upper?
can't understand you. Yes? Yes? Yes. Okay.
Or no?
Nod your head because I can't understand you. Yes?
Yes.
Heroin? Okay. Alright, let's keep walking, okay? I'm gonna keep you warm.
Heroin?
I'm listening to the radio, they're coming, they're getting you help. Okay?
Alright,
The
let's keep
rescue
walking,
team
okay?
is over there.
Let's keep you warm.
They're gonna get a
I'm
boat and
listening
bring
to the
it in.
radio, they're
Okay?
coming,
The
they're getting you
helicopter's
help.
gonna come and drop
Okay,
warm
the
clothes
rescue
for you.
team is over there.
You said heroin.
They're gonna get a boat and bring it in. Okay? And the helicopter's gonna come and drop warm clothes for you. Fentanyl?
You said heroin.
No, he said no to heroin. He said no to
You're
meth.
not in trouble for that, man.
I'm asking you to make sure that I understand what's going on with you medically. Okay, I don't
You're not in trouble for that, man.
I'm asking you to make sure that I understand what's going on with you. The helicopter's going to come and it's going to make a lot of wind. We don't want you to fall over. Okay? We're going to have you walk over. We're going to sit you down there. The helicopter's going to come and it's going to make a lot of wind. We don't want you to fall over. Good. Your hands starting to work. We're going to have you walk over. We're going to sit you down there. Sit down. All right. Sit down and lean back. Good. Your hands are hanging on. All right. Sit down. Sit down and lean back. It's okay. I've got a hold of you. Just go ahead and lean back. I'll hang on to you. Just sit down. I know your legs don't work right. You feel like you're going to fall, but I got to hold on to you. Go ahead and sit down. Just sit down. I know your legs don't work right. You feel like you're going to fall, but I got to hold on to you. Go ahead and sit down. Cross your legs. Cross your legs. This is my buddy's gear for diving, so it's really warm. This is my buddy's gear for diving. I'm going to put this on the ground, it's really warm. Keep that up off the ground. I'm going to put this on the ground, so yeah, put it on it. Keep that up off the ground. Yeah, what hey, you were under arrest. Do you understand? Okay.
We're not trying to be
I mean, you were under arrest.
If I care that much, man, I want to be cradling you, walking you around in your half naked. But it's something we have to tell you. We do want you to get healthy before anything. So imagine you go to the hospital for a minute before you go anywhere else. We do want you to get healthy before anything. So imagine you go to the hospital for a minute before you go anywhere else.
He's about the same, I think maybe a little bit better.
Okay.
Than when we found him.
Alright.
He's about the same, I think maybe a little bit better.
I got some hot packs for you, okay?
Found him.
I'm the fire department. What's your name? Hey, I got some hot packs for you, okay? I'm the fire department. What's your name?
He did acknowledge having drugs on board. I couldn't pin down what because it's unlimited to like yes and no.
So he did acknowledge having drugs on board.
Heroin and
I couldn't pin down what because it's unlimited to yes and no answers.
We had a very difficult time walking, and we walked back and forth for like 15 minutes, and it took 2 of us to hold him, and he was barely. We had a very difficult time walking, and we walked back and forth for like 15 minutes, and it took 2 of us to hold him, and he was barely swimming. Good. Oh, they had great aim. They flew right overhead, and they dropped the bag and landed right here, like right between us. Unlike right here. They flew right overhead, and they dropped the bag and landed right here, like right between us. Unlike right here.
We're so right on there.